Hey guys, it's Dallas from Shift. Today we're going to be putting on my Grimmspeed air intake. I got it from my buddy. It's missing a couple bolts, so I have to get it so it won't look as pretty, but it'll function just fine. With that being said, let's just go ahead and jump into it, and let's go ahead and install this intake. Super simple, super easy, super excited, and I'll get my little sounds.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
And that was a little awkward. Sorry for that.
Say ooh.
Don't mind how dirty my engine bay is. First things first is we got to start taking this intake system off. The stock one, I've just got a little K&N panel filter in there because I think I'm cool.
Can I get a more power, baby? A more power, baby! Testify! A more power!
But we've also got the sound generator to take out, which, you know, I guess some cars have that. I've never had a car have this until I got the FRS. Apparently they're on the Corvettes too, which is great, I guess. So first things first, we're gonna start by taking this little MAF connector out. I gotta take this little piece out too. It is just a little clip down there. Take it to some needle nose, squeeze it, push it out. Easy day. There we go. MAF sensor is away and disconnected. This is the hose that's connected. It's a little clamp, this little spring band clamp. You squish it with some pliers, move it over to here, and then pull this out. And then I put mine in my toolbox so I don't lose it. Next we're gonna work on is actually taking this out with our little screwdriver. We're also gonna take out these bolts right here. Don't ask why I have one holding it. I may or may not have done my serpentine belt and haven't put everything back together because I was gonna put an intake on anyway, so might as well wait and then put everything back together.
What is your gender?
My gender? I'm a mechanic. All right, so now with our MAF sensor out, disconnected, out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and start taking some of these hoses apart to kind of get everything out. So first we're gonna take off this hose, not really, there's no specific order obviously. We're gonna go ahead and start disconnecting some of the stuff. So I'm probably gonna start with these two, and then I'm gonna start working on this sound generator and taking that off. So now that we took this hose out, there is two mounting bolts right here for this sound generator. There's one, and there's two. So just take that out. It goes down into here, back there into the firewall. I have a hot engine, so I'm not gonna plug it up right now because I will burn my hands down there. But when it does get colder, make sure to get a little rubber plug. Wait, where's my 10mm at? All right, boys, the whole intake system is out. So, look at that dirty throttle body. I need to clean that. There's also this plastic little clamp right here. Same thing, little pliers, pinch. All right, so I got the mounting box in there. It's just two mounting points right here, both 10 mils, one right there, and then one right here. And that's it for the box. So let's move on, let's put the piping together, put the intake on, get everything hooked back up, and have a cool intake. All right, so I got the pipe on, it's mounted on the throttle body. Now I just gotta hook some other stuff up, put the intake on, put the MAF back on, hook it up, we should be good to go. If you guys go and decide to get a Grimmspeed intake, please do this one thing. So make sure this is an inch away from the MAF sensor. The filter is on, it's clamped down, it's an inch away. We're gonna run our MAF wires in there. All right, so I got the MAF all plugged in, all screwed up. Just ran it through here, clipped everything back in. And now time to put the hose. Everything's hooked up. I just got to put the shield on and put the bolts in. I got to get a couple more of these bolts, but that's just nothing crazy. But after that, we're gonna start and get some intake sounds. Well, that's it, guys. She's looking pretty good and I'm super happy with it. And let's go ahead and get some intake sounds while we're at it.